guys, and welcome to Tech Guru Academy. And today in this video I will show you how to fix an error on which when you click on author name or author link or author whatever it is, you just redirect it back to the home page. So let me give you what's the problem is. So when I go to my blog section and when I click on author name, which is Piyush Gupta, and this is my name. So when I click on this, I just redirect it to my home page or whatever my home page is. So let's see how to fix that. You just need to log in to your WordPress site and then go to SEO, which is your Yoast plugin. So let me tell you why this happens. The thing is, guys, when you install Yoast SEO and you configure via some wizard in the Yoast SEO, so when you disallow the author archive, so that's why this problem happens. So let's see how to fix that. So you just need to go to SEO, Yoast SEO, and then go to search appearance. I'm sorry, my English is not that good, but I'm sure you will find the right solution. So from here now you have to go to archives, and then here author archive settings, you just need to enable this. Okay, and you can adjust as per your requirements, and after that you just need to click save changes. And if you are using any kind of cache plugin, so you just need to clear the caches in order to make it work perfectly. So let me just do that, and let's see if it is working now or not. Let me just go to my site. All right, here is my blog, and let's click on this. Yeah, it's working. See? And let me just check back here also on the different browser if it is working or not. Let me just check. Paste the URL. Set. And seriously, Edge. So just click on blog here. And by the way, my website name is techguruacademy.net. If you're interested, you're more than welcome to visit this. And we'll just click on my name, and let's see. Yeah, it's working, as you can see. So the thing that you need to fix is you just need to just first log into your WordPress site, and then go to Yoast SEO, then search appearance, and then you have to go to archives, and then you just enable the author archive option. Okay. So I hope this video helps your problem. If this do, then please make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe our channel for more good videos like this. Thank you so much for watching our video.